The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost here, with a launch set for January 22, so it's right around the corner. We've already seen a ton of leaks and rumors about the upcoming flagship, especially when it comes to the camera setup. But now we've got a more solid and detailed look at the sensors, thanks to a new leak that's dropped some concrete specs. The S25 Ultra will come packed with 5 camera sensors, featuring a mix of Sony IMX and Samsung ISOCELL technology. The rear camera setup will include a quad camera array with a front-facing selfie camera tucked neatly inside the Infinity O display. And here's the breakdown of the leaked camera specs. First of all, the primary camera includes Samsung's ISOCELL HP 200 megapixel resolution with 2x optical like zoom lens. The ultra-wide includes Samsung ISOCELL Gen 350 megapixel resolution. The telephoto includes Sony IMX 754 10 megapixel with 3x optical zoom. The periscope includes Sony IMX 854 50 megapixel with 5x optical zoom. And finally, the selfie includes Samsung ISOCELL 3 LU 12 megapixel. The primary telephoto, periscope, and selfie cams are all the same as the S24 Ultra, with only the ultra-wide camera seeing an upgrade, moving from 12 megapixel in the S24 Ultra to 50 megapixel in the S25 Ultra. Honestly though, it would have been nice if they'd also given the 10 megapixel 3x zoom camera an upgrade too. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip inside the S25 Ultra brings some serious improvements for photography and videography, thanks to its enhanced image signal processor and deep integration with the Hexagon NPU. This means faster capture and processing, and while the camera specs are familiar, the real-world performance should still see some solid upgrades. Of course, this is still a leak, so take it with a pinch of salt for now. But if these specs turn out to be true, the camera setup on the S25 Ultra looks pretty similar to the S24 Ultra. So, what do you think? Is the camera update on the S25 Ultra enough to make you want to upgrade from the S24 Ultra, or are you staying put? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.